How to cancel Audible subscription on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your iPhone. Once you're here, go to audible.com. Now, tap on the icon below as shown. Then, tap on the three dots icon. From the page menu, tap on Request Desktop Website. The page will automatically reload and display the full desktop version of the site. At the top of the page, tap on your name. From the menu, tap on Account Details. You will now be on the Membership Details page. Here, you can view your current plan information. To cancel, you will need to find the Cancel Membership button below your plan details. Following these steps, you can easily cancel Audible subscription on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.